In this video, we're going to learn about multiplication. So if you have a problem that says multiply 5 times 2, and then you give the answer in this little box. So if you don't have your multiplication tables memorized yet, what you can do is try to picture in your head an array of 5 rows with 2 dots in each row, and that would look like this. So here's each of the rows, and there's 2 dots in each row. And you could see that there's 10 dots in total. So the answer to 5 times 2 would be 10. So let's write that in. So another way to do this is to take a look at a number line. So here you could see this number line skip counts by 2. So you could see it goes from 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So how would you figure out 5 times 2? You would start at the 0 and you would go over by each one. So for example, for 5 you would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then your answer would be 10. So that's another way to do it. You can use a skip counting line based on the problem that you're doing. So in this case, we're using a skip count by 2 line. So this is pretty easy. You just have to practice it a bit, and after a while these numbers will be memorized in your head, and you wouldn't have to use a model anymore. But you just need to practice it a little bit more.